So, it's, September 7th, 2019 at 12:47 a.m. So I guess it's, yeah, Saturday, September 7th, 2019. You know, this is really sad. This is really sad, you know. It's not just one life that's affected, it's many. But one in particular, caregivers get forgotten. And they're so essential. You know, they get forgotten, you know, it's all about me. And when people express their concern for me, which is awesome, and it's so appreciated. But there's someone else behind all that. And for all of it, there's always at least someone, if not a team of people, behind that person. And unfortunately, they're the forgotten soldiers in this particular war, but not with me. I was a caregiver with my partner who passed away in 1998, and there was quite a few years that he had a rare condition as well that ravished our lives, really changed our whole world as well. So I've been through this before, where we had built a log house in the country, in the hills, New Mexico. Physically built it ourselves, and then he got struck with this extremely rare condition, because in the horse world, and it just had to force us to have to sell something we never intended to sell. That was our we're gonna grow old there. I mean, it's 20 acres, beautiful. This is awesome. All these dogs and cats. This is a brilliant life in the mountains, and we had to sell that house and move closer to town. And then he recovered, and a lot of ups and downs, and we went through a lot of businesses, started doing really well actually, and then having to stop. Those highs and lows just it caught up with me, so I'm afraid to do anything, you know. I'm a medical prison. I kind of, you know, it's a different scenario, but it's John McCain, when he was captured. He was tortured every day. Well, he was captured. Well, I'm being medically captured in a condition that they don't know or don't seem to really care to figure out. I'm not sure what it is, but this is going on for a while now, and I've seen a lot of people, and this is what I have to show for it. On September 7th, 2019, since December 9th, 2015. It's ridiculous. It's getting worse. This is pathetic, you know. So my amazing, beautiful friend Jan, who I adore with all my heart, she's beautiful, and she has started a GoFundMe page today that I was very reluctant of, and it was a lot of talking back and forth. I just, you know, I don't know. We're in a real big spot right now, and I'm battling to try and get our insurance back, and I need to buy time. It could be buying time between. Right now, I have the doctor actually has got them revisit my case to review it. And so we're going through that right now, and I don't know if that's just to buy time to drag me out from the inevitable, which is to sue them. Because they know that I have an attorney hanging in the balance out here, waiting. I'm preparing myself because I do not feel it's fair that I've been dropped after 29 months of coverage, and so the way that it was handled, it was instantaneous. No time to prepare, and no notice. Don't finish the cycle, anything. It was like we're cutting half the cycle, and suddenly you're out. You're kicked out. You know, as if your bad relationship just kicked you out of your home. Your stuff's on the front lawn. In this case, it's my income, which pays for the medical bills that I have on my credit cards. There's a lot of them. And just, you know, you gotta eat, and there's necessities in life that you need, and I'm fortunate to have lower rent. Oddly, you wouldn't know that, you wouldn't believe that, but I actually do, especially for the city that we're in. So I'd hate to lose that, to end up spending more somewhere else, and it just further away. Yeah. So homelessness is knocking always at the door, and it's just so scary. So there's two of us going through this, and then the subsidiaries. It changes every plan. This controls everything, so just controls everything. It's 24/7. Never stop.
That we do every year is something that the Kershaw's Challenge has actually sponsored.
Torturing.
We have about 2,000
Prison.
kids come through and get a free backpack filled with supplies as they go back to school. And these are kids in
Torturing
that
prison.
start lining up at 5:30